Hello and welcome to today's video that will teach you how to remember things. So let's just begin with cueing the intro. Oh, I forgot to do one. Now we remember things by using our brain, so it's really important to keep the brain nice and active and healthy. Otherwise you could just end up becoming a vegetable. Vegetables do not really offer that much and they don't taste very nice either, so it's definitely something that you want to avoid becoming yourself. So if you have a terrible memory like mine, what's the next bit? What did I just say? So if you have a terrible memory like mine, a good option for you if you have a bad memory is to write stuff down. That way, once you have written stuff down, you won't have to worry about having to remember it, as the notes you have made will remember for you. Here is something that I wrote down to help me remember. Oh no, I forgot to write it down. Now, do you remember when I mentioned earlier about keeping your mind nice and active and keeping it stimulated? I don't remember, but maybe you do. And the ways you can do that involve, you can play games, you can play GTA 5, that will help with the brain. Play this game. Or if you want to learn some history, then you can play GTA 4. It's a bit of an older game, so that will help with historical events and stuff. So that's a good game you can try. Or you could even try playing Warcraft 3 Reign of Chaos. That would be good for remembering history as well, because it's war and stuff and fighting. Alternatively, you can take up new activities like knitting or bungee jumping. That's going to keep your mind occupied for a while. A hobby that I regularly undertake is sleeping. It involves getting on the bed, just like this, and then just falling asleep. And then the brain is free to wander as it pleases. So the takeaway point from all of this is to try and remember to keep your brain nice and healthy and active. Otherwise you may start forgetting things and end up in a situation where you just end up repeating yourself. So the takeaway point from all of this is just to try and remember to keep your brain nice and active. Otherwise you may end up repeating yourself, and it's not a good thing to do that. So the important part of all of this topic is to remember words because of the brain. Vegetable. So I hope you now have a memory. If you still don't have a memory even after all of this, then I would try and forget everything that you've learnt in this video, as it's obviously not helped that much. Now I'm going to go off now and see if I can remember my PIN number. So I'll catch you all later. PIN number. Is there a 4? Do I have a 4 in it, in the PIN number? Maybe a 3. Do I even have a PIN number? Oh, I think there's an asterisk in there. Yeah. Oh, see you. So in order to keep my brain nice and active and help to try and sustain my memory, I've decided to play a game of hide and seek. And I'm going to start off as the seeker, so I'm going to begin counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 98, 99, 100. Right, ready or not, here I come. Wait a minute. I don't think I'm playing with anyone. I forgot I'm just by myself. I'm not playing with anybody else. Oh, I'm glad I don't have to look for anyone. That's a relief. That could have been very embarrassing. Whew. Excellent. Now what do I do? Oh no! I forgot to add the music to the outro! Oh no! Oh no!